Welcome everybody. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Wikimedia Foundation. So I will start with a short presentation about the Wikimedia Foundation, just to give you a basic knowledge about it. So I will start the presentation, and I just click OK. So the Wikimedia Foundation, its mission is to share free knowledge to every human being on the planet. And here you can also see the logo. And a little bit about the foundation. So it's an American non-profit organization, and its headquarters is located in San Francisco, California. It was founded in 2003 by Jimmy Wales, and it was founded for a way to support the Wikipedia project, which itself was founded in 2001. And the Wikimedia Foundation has 300 plus employees and a revenue of more than 110 million per year. That's in US dollars. And its focus is to create free open content wiki-based internet projects. So the projects that the Wikimedia Foundation do are the following: Wikipedia, Wiktionary, Wikimedia Commons, Wikidata, Wikiquote, Wikibooks, Wikisource, Wikispecies, Wikinews, Wikiversity, Wikivoyage, and MediaWiki. And here you can see some logos of those. This is Wikispecies, Wikiquote, Wikibooks, Wikiversity, and of course Wikipedia. So a little bit about Wikipedia. Wikipedia is the biggest project in the Wikimedia Foundation. And Wikipedia, the word, consists of a portmanteau of the words wiki and encyclopedia. And the word wiki means quick in the Hawaiian language, and also a technology for creating internet-based projects. So basically it's an encyclopedia built on the internet. And it was founded in 2001, as I said earlier. It has of now 46 million articles in 300 different languages, with 200,000 active contributors and editors. That's a lot of articles. And it was an offshoot of Nupedia, which was an earlier online encyclopedia that was started by the online media company Boomis, where Jimmy Wales was a co-founder of that company. So we start with Wikibooks. Wikibooks is a collection of free e-book resources, such as textbooks, annotated text, instructional guides, and manuals. And I also need to say one thing in this presentation. After I have gone through this presentation, I will also show you the actual website and just have a small little guide inside the website so that you get more understanding of the site. So this is Wikibooks, open books for an open world. Then you have Wiktionary, and the Wiktionary is basically a dictionary for over 170 languages with an aim to describe all words of all languages. And its resources include thesaurus, rhyme guide, and language statistics. And here you also have the logo for Wiktionary. So Wikiquote, it's a collection of sourced quotations from notable people and creative works in over 75 languages, and it includes proverbs, mnemonics, and slogans. Wikimedia Commons. So this is the world's largest free-to-use library of illustrations, photos, drawings, videos, and music. And this is roughly how the logo looks, but I couldn't find another logo. But you can look it up for yourself if you want to find it. And I will also show the logo later on the website. So Wikisource. It's a library of freely licensed source text and historical documents, including poetry, government documents, constitutions of many countries, and general literature. And this is the logo, Wikisource. So Wikiversity is devoted to learning resources, learning projects, and research for use in all levels, types, and styles of education. Wikispecies, a species database for taxonomy that covers living and fossil representatives of Animalia, Plantae, fungi, bacteria, archaea, protista, and all other forms of life. So basically a data bank of all organisms. So Wikidata, this is a central storage of structured data for Wikimedia projects. It's structured with machine-readable format, makes it easier to view, search, edit, curate, and reuse files. So it's basically a storage for data of all the Wikimedia projects, such as Wiktionary, Wikispecies, etc. Wikipedia, of course, also. So MediaWiki, it's a free and open source wiki software that anyone can use and develop, and it's the platform on which Wikimedia projects are built. So MediaWiki is basically the code and the platform that the other projects are run on. So it's a very important project. So now Wikivoyage, it aims to create the world's largest free, complete, and up-to-date worldwide travel guide. So basically, it aims to give people the knowledge to be able to travel the world, basically. So Wikinews, it's a free content alternative to commercial news sites, such as CNN and BBC News, with articles that are fact-checked and peer-reviewed. So MetaWiki, a central hub for various coordination and organization tasks, such as discussions affecting multiple wikis or planning upcoming events. So this is basically the hub for organizational tasks for all other Wikimedia projects. So you can see that the Wikimedia Foundation have 3 important projects that all relate to the foundation, and that is Wikidata, which handles all the data of the projects, MediaWiki, which handles the code and platforms and software for the projects, and MetaWiki, which handles the organizational part of the projects. And that was the whole presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. Now you can see that I have some windows open here, and that is all the Wikimedia Foundation projects. So here I have the Wikimedia Foundation site. So if you go to their homepage, you are here. I will just do like this so you can see better. And on this page you can find more information if you want to. Just have a look at this site after the video if you want to find out more about the foundation. The next windows is about Wikipedia. And here you also can see all of its sister projects. And you can also see how many articles there are in each language. For English, there are 5,904,000 plus articles. And for Swedish, there are 3,747,000 articles. So, and yeah, here you can also see how many articles is available for each of the languages. As you can see, there are a lot of languages here. Exactly, it is about 303. So, Wikibooks. Here you can see how many pages they have. So in English, they have 83,000 plus pages. And you can also find the language here. And here you can see how many books they have in these languages, 10,000 plus. And here you have some languages, but in these languages they only have 100 and plus books. But that's still quite a lot of books. So that's Wikibooks. Now Wiktionary is here. So here you can see how many entries they have. I don't exactly know what an entry is, but maybe you do. So in English they have 6,084,000 plus entries. And here is the Wikiquote site. Yeah, basically it. And here in the bottom they also have the logo for it, that it's a Wikimedia project, and they have some terms of use, like how you can use this site, and the privacy policy, like how they use your personal information. And yeah, So now here is Wikimedia Commons. So here you have a sidebar with a lot of navigational bars to go. Here you have some things where you can participate, and here you have other projects, and here you of course have the main navigational links. And you have picture of the day, monthly photo challenge, highlights, content by topic, by location, type, offer, license, and source, media of the day, etc. So yeah, here you also have all of the languages, and here you have a footer with some sites. And here you can see that it's powered by MediaWiki, the software for all wiki projects. So now we go to Wikisource. This is their main page. I tried just writing wikisource.org, but then I got redirected to this site. So this is their actual site. Yeah, so here you have some things. You can see the languages, all the other projects. You can also see when the page was last edited. It was 4th of January 2019, and at the 13:20. Yeah, that's about it. And you can find out more about Wikisource, some disclaimers, its developers, cookies, and if you want to view the site on mobile. Here you have Wikiversity. It's just wikiversity.org. And here you can see that they have 26,000 plus learning resources in English. Now we are in Wikispecies. So they so far have 685,330 articles in English, I guess, or I think. So yeah, here you can find out more. Just go to these sites if you want to find out anything more. The purpose of this video is just to give you an overview of all the Wikimedia projects. So Wikidata, they have 58,975,820 data items that anyone can edit. So MediaWiki, it's just mediawiki.org /wiki/MediaWiki. Wikivoyage.org, it's the travel guide, so if we click on English here, we get to this site. So we really like to travel. Let's say we want to go to Bahamas, we click go, and here you have some facts about the Bahamas if you want to go there. This was actually a pretty useful guide. Here you can see all of the islands that they have. So the yellow is New Providence, and then you have Grand Bahama, you have Bimini, Abacos, etc. Okay, so that's Wikivoyage. Now you have wikinews.org, and if you click on English, you will get to wikinews.org /wiki/main page, and you can get some news here. And here we have our MetaWiki, so there's not much to see here, really. Yeah. Okay, so and now we're just here at the Wikipedia page for Wikipedia. So on this page you can find out everything you want to know about Wikipedia. Here you see the contents, and there's a lot of content here. It's 16 chapters with several sub-chapters. And here you can see some short facts about it too. So that was the whole presentation. I hope you enjoyed it and got a more in-depth insight into the Wikimedia Foundation. And thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video. Bye.